Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you real quick how to make this pearl beaded handle. If this look like what you're interested in, then you should keep on watching.
You'll need a fishing line, a pearl bead. See, I'm using the size 16 pearl bead, a lobster claw hook, and then you also need a scissors. You are going to cut about 40 inches length of fishing line, and then you're going to place your fishing line into the lobster claw hook. You double the fishing line like this, and then you're going to place your pearl bead. Now the number of pearl beads you are placing depends on how long you want your beaded handle to be. So after I've stringed my pearl bead, I'm going to take the second lobster claw hook and I place it like this, and then I'm going to string it back inside, and then you tie. You not just stop there, you're going to go into the pearl beads again, and then you're going to tie again. You're going to go again. When you get to this point, you don't need to tie again, you just cut out your fishing line. And so we've come to the end of this tutorial, and I really hope you found this video helpful. If you did, kindly give this video a thumbs up so that YouTube will recommend it to more people, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on more content to come. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye.